इस वीडियो में हम बीपीएससी के पास्ट पेपर से लिए गए इडियम्स कवर करेंगे। पहला इडियम है टू च्यू द कट, मीनिंग है टू थिंक डीपली अबाउट समथिंग। सेंटेंस है he sat for a moment chewing the cud before he spoke. Next है to kick against the pricks, meaning है to resist authority or fight against something inevitable, often causing oneself harm. Sentence है instead of kicking against the pricks, he finally accepted the company's new policies. Next है at the beck and call, meaning है always ready to serve or obey someone's orders. Sentence है the assistant was at the beck and call of the manager, responding to every request immediately. Next है spick and span, meaning है very clean and tidy. Sentence है she spent the entire morning cleaning the house until it was spick and span. Next है on the horns of a dilemma, meaning है faced with two equally difficult choices. Sentence है he was on the horns of a dilemma whether to accept the high-paying job abroad or stay close to his family. Last one है to be ill at ease, meaning है to feel uncomfortable or uneasy. Sentence है she was ill at ease in the large gathering since she knew no one there.